Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you what are the Google keyboard settings. So there are various settings available on the Gboard or the Google keyboard. I'll explain each and everything in this video tutorial. In the previous video, I have shown you how you can change the font of the Gboard. If anyone misses that video, missed that video, you can go to the description and I'll drop a link for the video and you can go through that. Yeah. Coming to the Google keyboard settings, there are various settings like we can use the Google keyboard as the floating window when you type something, or you can have one-handed keyboard, or you can resize this keyboard. All these things I'll show you in this video. First of all, when you open any conversation or something like that, that may be for WhatsApp or Instagram or wherever you use this Google keyboard, you will find this symbol. See here, this symbol is nothing but the way to enter into the Google Gboard settings. Okay, you need to tap on this. Once you tap on this, you will be able to tweak the settings. Now for example, for floating, you can just tap on this. See here, now when you type something, it will be visible here, but you can keep this keyboard anywhere you want. Hi, so it gets typed here. So if you want to minimize this, you can click on this arrow symbol, so that gets disappeared. Okay, simple. And again you need to click on this to turn off this. Again tap on this, it gets turned off. If anyone wants to use this floating keyboard, that will be useful for them. And again the next concept is resizing the window. If I want a larger keyboard for my use, I can just drag and drop and I click on this check mark, so that Google keyboard now will display everything in the bigger size. So this is how you can resize. So I don't want, so I just reset the size to the default. Okay, if anyone wants this, that will be useful. And the third setting is one-handed mode. See here, if you're right-handed mode, you can if you typing with your left hand, you can use this, or you can use this with the arrow. You can alter the positions of this one-handed mode. With the one-handed mode, you can touch someone with just using one hand. Means if you're not able to hold your mobile with two of your hands, this will be useful. In this way you can use this. If you want to turn off this, again go to the settings and just turn off, or you can turn off in the another way also. You just need to click on the symbol so that it gets turned off. And for most of the people, emojis we regularly use, few of the people will regularly use. For them, there is an option called emoji. What this emoji does is, it will all give the list of emojis available on the Gboard. For a faster navigation, you can drag and drop here the emoji, press and hold, and make it on the top, so that I'll show you what's the use. When you're typing, yeah, right, when you didn't type anything, if you want to keep some emojis right at the options level, this emojis option will be available. You can tap on that and you can directly apply some emojis to the other person. So in this way you can play with this Google keyboard settings. You can change the language, you can use the Google Translate. Yeah, you can change the theme of this Google keyboard as the background. Likewise, you can uh, change and apply the settings on Google keyboard settings. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.